Hello! Now that we are living in Lyon area, we wanted to try the local deep pool. Unfortunately, due to COVID, our original booking was cancelled. So we were able to come back for the reopening. Due to sanitary precaution, we need to keep our mask on. That can create some unfortunate accidents, I would say. Also, all material, including new horn, needs to be disinfected before entering your pool. It's a 2-area pool with a first level of 5 meters for beginners training and initiating, and you have a deeper level of 20 meters. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more scuba diving videos, feel free to subscribe and share it with your friends. See you next time!